So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get any Adobe software. Let's get started by going to the first link in the description. Here we are going to download Creative Cloud. You can pick whatever sign-in method you want. I'm going to click Facebook. Then you're going to pick a skill level, and this isn't going to change anything. Then Creative Cloud should start installing by itself. This shouldn't take too long. Once it's done, launch it, and as you can see, it's safe. So here we're going to be picking any app you want, and the same method can be done for every single one. But first, let's download the cracked software. So the second link in the description, you download the first one. Should only take a couple seconds to download. So now we pick the software that we're going to use and download it. So I'm going to use Adobe Illustrator to demonstrate. Should start downloading, and it'll only take a couple minutes. Once it's downloaded, click Start Trial. It will not be the trial, it will be the full version. It will take a bit of time to load, but then eventually it will display Buy Now right here. As you can see underneath, it says trial for 7 days. So now I'm going to bring Adobe Illustrator to my desktop quickly. Once that's done, launch it. As you can see here, it will say 7-day free trial at the top. So we're going to close it now. And then we're going to right click on Illustrator. Open file location. Then we're going to go get the software we downloaded and bring it in. Run the software. And find Adobe Illustrator. And as you can see, it has every Adobe on here. Now I'm going to click the bottom file. Run it. There you have it. Now let's go launch Illustrator quickly again. and as you can see, it doesn't say the free trial, so you have the full version free of charge. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go like and subscribe for more videos.